Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going cross country and we are going to be taking Bolt and Candie. Abby's going to be riding Candie and I'm going to be riding Bolt, blah blah blah. And we were meant to be going yesterday, but then we had a slight change of plan, so we're going today. But that doesn't really matter. But just a quick disclaimer before I insert the clips. This is just the cross country at Kobe's yard because both of them have never done cross country before, so we thought taking them to a proper cross country schooling place would be a bit too much for them for the first ever time. So we're taking them to the cross country at Kobe's yard, which is obviously just small and it's nice for beginners and everything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will insert some clips of the ponies at cross country in a second. So bye.